All right, we can do this together. This is Chef Giuseppe Urbano with Meals for Longevity, and this is the moment of the day with the appointment of So What's for Dinner. This is just a few minutes for me to show you what I'm doing. I'm getting ready to serve dinner for the test that we have Monday through Thursday at the Meals for Longevity Testing Kitchen. This is the kitchen. So let's see what I am serving tonight, and let's go through the menu very quick. As appetizer, I am finishing a mushroom soup. This is our portobello mushroom, chicken broth, parsley, garlic, all fresh ingredients that I cooked for 7 minutes and then pureed them very quick. Tonight we just have one person, one judge, and that is great because it gives me the opportunity to test the recipes for a small group, for one person, 2 people, 4 people. So the recipes that I have created for the Meals for Longevity, I call them Chef's recipe, that they are based out of the guidelines of the Mediterranean diet, the latest update. The recipes are easy to make in less than 15-20 minutes. They're simple with fresh ingredients that you find at your local grocery store. Let's go on. So we said mushroom soup in about 3-4 minutes. When it gets thicker, it's ready. Then I am marinating since about 10 minutes. A Mahi Mahi filet, this is 120 grams, 125. I'm marinated with extra virgin olive oil, fresh thyme, salt, pepper, and paprika. I'm gonna be broiling this it will cook in about 12-14 minutes. I will be serving it with a side of green beans that I'm going to saute with garlic. And then over here I have a wild rice mix that I am sauteing with some tomato concassé, diced tomatoes, and red onions. I always use fresh herbs. As you can see, the meals are very easy to prepare. I'm serving also ciabatta bread with a dipping sauce, balsamic vinegar, and extra virgin olive oil. That's it. This is just an easy way to eat healthy that you can do at your home. I have designed all the recipes, test them 5-6 times with international people, and stay tuned. Subscribe on this channel. Subscribe on the newsletter of mealsforlongevity.com so I can keep you informed. By the end of the year, I will release the first package of recipes, between 25-50 recipes that you can use with a planner, online planner. I will talk to you about that later. So stay in touch, subscribe so I send you all the information that you need. Ciao from Chef Giuseppe and buon appetito. Add time, eating well.